gonna do the unboxing video.
Okay. So, this is a Traxxas 4x4 Rustler, and I am going to open it. Ta-da! I see a 4x4 Rustler, and I am going to take this cover off.
The body clip, like the X-Max.
Oh.
The back comes off first, then it slides backwards. There you go. Cool. What else is in the box?
I found a remote.
Is that it?
Yep. No, well, I don't know. Yep, that's it.
Okay, that was the unboxing video. A Rustler, some tools, and a remote. That was pretty much the most exciting unboxing video you'll find on YouTube today. We're now gonna go bash it. So I think these unboxing videos are kind of silly. There's really nothing in the box but the truck, remote, and some tools. So let's get to the driving part. Why don't you click on this link right here and go to the driving part.